see how the roots are on this thing.
Yeah.
Just like how they're all out of the
They're
ground.
everywhere.
Yeah.
Just taking a family walk. Day before Father's Day. Chad's first Father's Day. Caleb. Loving it. Not really. Say hi, baby. Say hi. Come on. Be at least a little bit enthusiastic about this. These are our memories.
Oh.
It's really windy today.
That's open.
Mini putt's open?
Yeah.
Let's do mini putt.